Tiramisu is exactly what this is.
Welcome back
to the channel.
That
I am in charge of.
Welcome
back to my channel. I'm Plant Lana. And this is my wife. Welcome. Hope you enjoy your stay.
We are here with another vegan food share video for you guys. This first thing
I'm excited about
is
this
a treat for you.
And for me.
And for him. This is the first ingredient. Unsweetened almond milk.
Can I be one of those models and the price is right?
No. The next ingredient is Nescafe Gold Espresso Powder. This stuff is gold. Literally gold. Next ingredient, ice.
Oh, okay.
And then the last ingredient, liquid stevia drops. This stuff, guys, it is the best. Okay, so this is kind of expensive. It's about 15 bucks Canadian on Amazon. It's about 15 bucks on Amazon, but it does last a long time and it doesn't bring up your insulin. It's a natural sweetener.
Look, I did it. I'm balancing it.
Mix it all together and you get
wow,
ice caps. But they're like, okay, I don't like coffee, you guys. I just hate the taste of black coffee. So if you're like me and you don't like coffee, but you enjoy tiramisu and you enjoy ice caps, you know, this is literally an ice cap and a tiramisu. If they had a baby, this would be it.
Oh my god. You know what? Tiramisu is exactly what this is.
Yeah, I told you. You should get, like, it's kind of melted now, but there's little ice chunks in here, like it's a creamy ice. But yeah, try it. Drink it outside on your patio.
If you're from Canada, you've gone to Tim Hortons before, and you've had an ice cap. This is better. Honestly, this is better than that. And if you're from the States or from some other part of the world where they have a Starbucks, this is better than anything you can get at that Starbucks. I promise you, this is better. It's better than any Funka Frappo Chino that you can get. This is the ultimate Funka Frappuccino.
This is definitely healthier than anything you'd get at Starbucks.
Yes, and tastes delicious, and therefore is better.
I mean, their cinnamon dolce latte is pretty good.
Listen, I put my stamp on it. Although cinnamon dolce lattes are pretty good. And pumpkin spice lattes are pretty good too. But you know what? This is good too.
Try it, enjoy it, never feel guilty about it.
No.
Why wouldn't you have it? Stevia is pretty strong, but when I say 4 drops, I don't mean like little drop like that. I mean like a full dropper. So 4 droppers of this will go into 2 servings. So for us, this will make 2 cups or 2 of these. We'll see you in a few hours for lunch, but for you it's a second.
For the next recipe, get out of here. Welcome back to my channel.
This is not the intro. We are back.
Whoa, that does not look attractive. What are these donuts? Weight loss.
So what you're gonna need, well, first I'll tell you what it is. So this is a tabbouleh salad. It is a quinoa-free, couscous-free, grain-free tabbouleh salad.
Yes.
So what you're gonna need, a bunch of parsley.
Greens.
It's curly parsley.
Can I throw this?
No. No.
Like that person getting married?
No. It's not your bouquet.
Like a bouquet? This would be a great bouquet. It looks nice.
Never have him as your wedding planner. You're gonna need a cucumber.
Alright.
Are you good?
Yeah.
I don't understand. Anyways, you're gonna need...
You don't have to.
You're gonna need some tomatoes.
This is not planned.
Oh, Jesus. You're gonna need some lemon.
Some lemon.
You're gonna need salt and pepper.
Oh yeah. What's next?
And you're gonna have onion.
Give me a challenge.
So this is what you're gonna use for the tabbouleh salad part.
Watch this. And snow! Oh man. Isn't editing fun?
So this is the salad.
All this lemon juice in here. Oh my god, it's amazing. This is such... Look this!
Are you okay?
I just bashed my front teeth against my bottom front teeth.
We also have the tahini drizzle dressing that we put on top. It honestly makes a world of difference if you make this tahini dressing. So what you're gonna need: tahini, garlic powder, lemon, and salt.
I'll just put that one here.
And you get...
Oh shoot!
We're gonna try that again.
And you get a bowl.
So you get this beautiful tahini dressing that goes on top of it, and it's so good, guys.
Amazing.
Like,
also,
it's amazing.
You'll have to add some water as you go just to kind of make it the consistency that you want.
In this, there's a 1/3 cup of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, 2/4 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 2/4 teaspoons of salt.
So 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Quarter plus quarter is half.
You're such an asshole.
Oh man. Yo, this tahini sauce though is so good. Oh man, let's go.
I've had this every day this week, and it's
so fresh.
I still can't get over how good it is. Yeah, I know.
So fresh.
The dressing is literally just lemon juice, salt, and pepper. If you have friends over, if you want to have it less sour or whatever, you can add olive oil. We are just trying to stay away from olive oil and any oils really.
You honestly don't need it.
Yeah, you don't need it.
Oh.
Right.
Wow.
We'll be back for dinner.
It's actually so good.
Bye. We are back.
Welcome back
dinner.
to my channel.
No, it's not an intro.
You don't know that.
This
could be the intro.
We are back for dinner, okay? A buffalo cauliflower lettuce wrap. Let's get into it.
Is it?
So for the buffalo sauce, guys. Normally I do Frank's Red Hot sauce with some olive oil, with some vegan butter. That's usually how I make it, either or. But it's this and ketchup. And not just any kind of ketchup. This is no sugar added ketchup.
That's one upside down. There you go.
No sugar added. So the reason why I'm using this is because I wanted to do an oil-free day. Got it on Amazon.
How many did you get on Amazon?
I accidentally signed up for subscribe and save and ended up with like 8 bottles of this. So in this we've got tomato paste, white vinegar, water, salt, stevia extract, and onion powder and spices. Guys, this ketchup tastes just like ketchup. Like there's nothing, like why wouldn't you get this? Like you would get this over the regular ketchup. So we've got ketchup, hot sauce, frozen cauliflower florets, and that's it. And that's it for the cauliflower recipe.
That's easy.
So it turns out looking like that.
There it is. Oh, it's so good. It's so delicious.
Yeah, you just want to bake it. Again, all of the instructions and ingredients will be in the description box below. To have this, we cut up some celery and we have it with some avocado. And then the next thing is the dressing. So the dressing is this beautiful cashew-based dressing. It's my dill ranch dressing. It is very dilly.
It's really dilly, but it's really good.
So this is just cashews, dried dill, dried parsley, salt, pepper, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, garlic powder, and I think that's it. I'll put the recipe in the description box below, but this will make it perfect. Last, you've got what it all goes into, Boston lettuce. I'm just adding some more sauce on here. This is really good.
Wow.
Like, this is amazing.
Oh my god. It's actually so good. I love. Amazing. I'm gonna have a third.
I'm having another one.
Oh, look at that.
Guys, we are on number 8 of our lettuce tacos.
Oh,
check
look at that.
Out.
Like, it's so good. I really want that one.
Dip it in.
I was afraid you were gonna take it for yourself. Who is that for? You have a kid that you haven't told me about?
This is for you to wipe off your hands.
Give me more. Okay, so I got my pinky finger clean. Now the ring finger. What do you... What shortage of paper towel do you have?
I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you try these recipes. If you do, please let me know. I know that a few of you have already tried some recipes from the previous videos and have
appreciate that you tried them.
You gave some really good feedback, and you loved it, so thank you so much, and I'm glad I can help you out with some dinner and lunch and breakfast options.
I'm glad I could help too.
He did nothing. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
And ring the bell.
And ring the bell. And
whoa, that was an intense burp, sorry. It just came out of nowhere.
Anyway, God, that smell!
Sorry, I had no control over that one.
Why?
It was a surprise attack to me too.
We'll see you next week with another video. We're gonna try to change things up next week, and I'm gonna make him come up with the meal plan.
Oh yeah, it's all about me next week.
So if it's unhealthy next week, you'll know why. If it's bad next week, you'll know why. But basically, I'm letting him come up with recipes for me to try for the first time on camera.
I'm gonna kill it, you'll see.
Kind of scared.
Hey, don't worry about it, it's gonna be amazing.
Anyways, we'll see you next week.
Yes, alright, bye.
Bye.
Now that, if you're still here, go make that coffee. It's so good. It's better than an ice cap. It's so good.
It's really good. So please try it. Get that stevia, liquid stevia on Netflix, on Amazon. It'll change your world, and you won't even feel bad about having a sweet ice cap, because it is freaking delicious.
Freaking delicious. It's delicioso. It's delicious.
How do you say it in Serbian?
I don't know.
Anyways, we'll see you next week.
Okay. Alright. Bye. Now, if you're still here,
no,
please.
I'm
no. Just stop 1 second.
The battery's dying.
Yeah, it's okay. We still have 10 seconds. If you're still here, please go try that tabbouleh salad. My God.
Are you just gonna...
It's so good. Amazing. Anyways, that's the last thing I have to say. We'll cut it. Bye.